we're going to kick off HANNAH BARBERA month with SNAGGLEPUSS. So I grew up watching these cartoons, so it's very exciting and nostalgic. So if you or if your parents are watching, they'll know this character. So, and I mean, it's not a very popular character, to be honest, but I just like the design. It's a very like, it's almost the design is almost like a signature style of the Hanna-Barbera animation at that period. Okay, so let's get started, and then I'll give some more background. So here, I think it's let's do something like let's put the ball that we usually use, and I want to make sure that I'll have space for the drawing. Okay, so, and I just want to make sure that the inclination of the head is respected. So it's not straight like this. He has the head leaned towards our right hand side. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and start drawing the body. And for this, I'm just going to put this shape, right? Do you see that shape there? Okay. And so, you know, clearly, you know, we want to get that curvature like that. Okay. So, and then the arms, or first his left arm, and then his right arm. I'll do a tutorial on how to, because, you know, you'll see a lot of S curves and C curves, so I want to talk about that, at least from my perspective. So sometimes, as you can see, I'm getting ahead of myself. I want to draw the details, right? But I have to calm down. I have to show you first the basic structure of the character. So we have something like this. For the legs, so really nice, really great shapes here. And this, and the tail. So these are images that I found on Pinterest usually. So I mean, it's easy to find if you just type SNAGGLEPUSS. So now onto the head. So for the head, it has this kind of I don't want to say diamond, but like, yeah, I mean, yeah, sort of, I guess, like a diamond shape here. And so now I think, because I don't want it to be too messy, but I'm going to start erasing the ball that we drew, because it served its purpose, I would say, at this point, because we have the outline of the face. So and then for the ear, these kind of I don't know what shapes to call them. Like bell shape, I guess. I don't know. That would be the closest thing to. So I'm keeping the lines so that I could use those lines to draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So the I just noticed that the eyes are a similar shape than the ears, and like a big triangle for the nose. Two C curves, right? Again, we talked about C curves. Another, I mean, there's so many C curves. Even the tongue is just a C curve there. So I think, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty confident now that we got the likeness, the shapes that make Snagglepuss Snagglepuss. So we can erase the line actually. I'm really glad I was able to plan ahead, as you can see, by putting the structure first to make sure that I have the space to draw the whole body and in the position that he is posing in the picture. So, and then now he has these I don't know what to call them other than Dracula collars. And then small triangles. I see 4 triangles. See, to create the bow tie. And for his what is it called? Cups, right? They're just rectangles, right? And I love that he's there's some action lines there to indicate that he's waving at us. Yeah. So same here. I'm going to erase the lines, and we're pretty much done. This is why drawing is very important, because it kind of, first of all, it teaches you a lot, you learn a lot. I think every drawing is an opportunity to learn about yourself, about what's around you or whatever you're drawing, because you see it in a different way, certainly. And I hope this video was a good guidance for you to figure out how to break down and draw a cartoon character. So in this case, Snagglepuss. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and so this is just a first video. I hope you liked it. Again, I apologize for the videos about Mulan and Daisy Duck, where the audio just went a little bit weird. I don't know why. I recorded the audio the same way I recorded the for the other videos. And but otherwise, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please, if you have any suggestions, you can put it in the community tab or send me a message or you can go to Instagram, you can follow me, and otherwise I would like to thank you, and this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.